Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, no internet secured error fix in Windows 10. First method is, right-click Start button, click Run. Type ncpa.cpl. Click OK. Right-click Connected Network Properties. Uncheck Client for Microsoft Networks. Uncheck File and Printer Sharing for Microsoft Networks. Uncheck QoS Packet Scheduler. Uncheck Internet Protocol version 6. Click OK. Second method is, right-click Start button, click Run. Type devmgmt.msc, click OK. Click and expand Network Adapters. Find your connected network adapter. Type ncpa.cpl. My connected network adapter is Intel 82574L gigabit adapter. Right-click Adapter, Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Click Close. If same error still exists, try right-click Adapter. Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list for available drivers on my computer. Click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.